bless you. My people, Regina. Now Regina matter with one con choctala.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely.
Hello. It's your one and only Lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I post more videos, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My people, Regina. Now Regina matter with one con choctalize people for today. I am so happy, Regina. When I see Regina with pregnancy, I choctalize. So throughout Regina pregnancy, Regina not showing one day for social media. Nobody even know. As Regina they post now. Not the way Regina they post for Instagram, for everywhere. I can't shock. Say Regina not gonna post the pregnancy. I can't surprise. I say. So Regina feel really like get sense like that to keep her for everybody for social media. Even like say she don't put to bed now, I make she come bring the pregnancy come out. As they happy for her, congratulations, Regina Daniels. I am so happy for you. You know, easy. Now you are now a mother. Before people say Regina not go stay husband house, Regina not go stay, but see now she don't get belly now. So what I want to talk again now? It does choctalize people. It does choctalize. Instagram video full everywhere. Pregnancy. This will not be saying our own video or anything. Big belly pregnancy. Regina don't be mother now. I am so happy for her. I really did happy for her. You know, easy. I'm happy for her. Where. Like seriously. I am so happy for her. You know, easy. Regina, congratulations. Because so many talk. And so Regina go marry old man, oh. And so Regina want use the man, oh. And so if Regina and the family don't finish the man money, Regina will come run. But it don't prove all of una wrong now. Regina don't born for the man now. She go nowhere. Regina, I am so happy for you. I am so happy. It's not easy to be a mother. So many people they pray me that they this your position, they not see. So even though I idioma or not be idioma, the most important thing she don't born pikin. Now they important. What they born for the husband as she don't one. I dey happy for her. Enemy una be not expect because many people don't talk. They don't this go the get for social media. You go marry old man. You go do this one. You go do that one. But it's not for the old man now. What do I want to talk again now? It's not for her. It really shows that she won't really stay the husband as in she won't really stay. Like she come to stay. She go nowhere. Regina, I am so happy for you. I am really super happy for you, Regina. People be not expect say you go born for that husband as they say that you can't use the man, you can't fake things, you can't do this. But today, what do we want to talk again now? Regina don't finally born for the man. So I believe say they will see the America now because person like Regina not go born for Nigeria now. So maybe they will dey America now or Canada, anywhere they for born the pikin. We will see no very soon if na boy or na girl. For now, we never know whether na boy or girl because all the celebrity, all of them, they post am for Instagram that they congratulate her because if she never born, she for not bring her come out. I believe say she don't born, I mean she can't bring her come out. Are they happy for her? You know, easy to be a mother, really. You know, really like easy. I'm so happy for you, my dear. Congratulations once again. So thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe. And more now continue to help me. They celebrate Regina, congratulate her, pray for her. For the comment section, anything what you think about this video, just leave your comment for the comment section. Mona help me congratulate her. She deserves it. She really she deserves it. Thank you, everybody. Bye. This video not too long. I just want to wish Regina Daniels, congratulations. It come be say na almost the same time in with Mercy Johnson come take born. Una see her now. So the same time when I see they wish Mercy Johnson congratulations too. I know say I don't say taste more, but now see you see fresh. So when I say congratulate Mercy Johnson too. Now so the ministry go take they go. So thank you everybody. Take care. Bye everybody.
Anytime I see your face, you got me crazy with your beautiful smile, baby. I want to be with you, even though the war end, we are still together. I'll be with you till the end of time, baby. I don't care to know about what people say. They can say what they like, they can do what they like. All I got is you, oh, baby.
Your beauty just don't make me smile.
Say love you,
My baby, them no realize.
say love you,
See my girl, them always get me white.
say love you,
I go there, love you right.
say love you,
I don't go wrong with them.
say love you,
But you be my only eyes.
say love you,
My baby, get about you, yeah.
say love you,
You make me smile when no one does.
say love you.
Baby, that's it, that's it.
Baby, make you know the border. Cause me, I go to give you well. Anything you need, anything you need. Baby, make you know the border. Cause me, I go to give you well.